Well, we've seen a massive uptick just in the last couple of years on
Mhm.
retrofits. And I think that, an entire generation of control systems and machines themselves are, basically retiring. They're like,
Mhm.
hey guys, we put in our 40, we're out. Uh, you know, if you want us to keep going, you got to give us some new shiny boots, a nice hat, and I don't know,
Yeah.
give me a better pay raise, something like that, right? So I think you're going to see a massive wave. I mean, and there has to be because you have a lot of equipment out there that's produced in these generational waves of systems, right?
Mhm.
And major generational waves of
Yep.
systems. I mean, how long was the PLC 5 distributed, right? For years and years and years and years.
Mhm.
And I think that as those pieces of equipment are evaluated and they turn from an asset into a liability, okay? So I think you're going to see a lot more equipment that's aging out, move from an asset into a liability, and those customers are looking for someone who can reliably come in and retrofit that or reliably redo that equipment to bring it into a modern standard so that they can do more things with it, right? They're going to be able to get a better piece of equipment functionally. They have
Mhm.
uptime reliability. They're also going to have data aggregation. They're also going to have connectivity. So there's so many advantages to why it needs to happen. And at this point in time with the Industry 4.0 wave, I think you're going to see it happen. And I think that's another thing pushing machine modernization or retrofitting is Industry 4.0 because people are looking around at all these quote dumb machines that aren't connected and can't give them any data value. They just give them production value, but data value is pretty equally important at in some junctures, right? Knowing often why your equipment is acting the way it's acting, okay, so that we can repair it and keep production running, knowing what you're actually producing, not checking it off of a piece of paper and a clipboard, understanding why you're producing what you're or how it sorry why what quantities and what quality that you're producing. So yeah, I think that's a big push for why people will want to retrofit and modernize their existing equipment.